Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp could not follow this channel on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you want to follow any channel on WhatsApp and facing this type of issue again and again, as you can see here, when I am going to follow any channel on this WhatsApp account, then guys you can see here I'm facing this issue again and again. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, main reason of this problem is internet connection. So guys, first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect any Wi-Fi. And guys, if you are using mobile data, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, second main reason is network problem. So guys, simply you need to reset your network settings from here, as you can see here. And guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, third most reason is a VPN. So guys, if connected any VPN with your iPhone, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, last problem is that update problem of your WhatsApp. So guys, simply you need to open your app store in your iPhone, and guys here you need to search WhatsApp. And guys, after opening your WhatsApp you need to update your WhatsApp from here easily, as you can see here. And guys, after doing all the things, so guys now I'm going to update my WhatsApp. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now I have updated my WhatsApp. So guys, now I'm going to follow any channel, as you can see here. So guys, now you can see I am able to follow any kind of channel on WhatsApp, as you can see here easily. So guys, by doing this method you will be able to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.